Lesson 11 objective states, count the total value of ones, tens, and hundreds with place value discs. So for tonight's homework, you should have brought home place value chips and a place value chart. The homework tells us that we're going to model the numbers using the fewest discs possible, and you're going to need your paper place value chips and your place value chart. If you do not have any of those materials, you can draw on a loose leaf sheet of paper or on the back of this sheet. We'll do number 1 together. It says use your place value discs to show your parent the following numbers. Whisper the numbers in standard form and unit form. Well, as you can see, A, B, C, D, and E are already written in standard form for us. We have 15, 152, 102, 290, and 300. But we will be saying them in unit form after we draw our place value chart. So let's go ahead and start with letter A. I'm going to draw my place value chart with hundreds, tens, and ones. Then I'm going to look at my number. Letter A is 15. I'm going to mark my tens and my ones on the number 15. I know that I have no hundreds, so I will not draw anything in the hundreds place. I have 1 10. And I have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the way to say this in unit form is 1 10, 5 ones. Let's try letter B. 152. I'm going to go ahead and draw my place value chart again and label by number hundreds, tens, and ones. I have hundreds now. I have 100. I have 5 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And I have 2 ones. 1, 2. So to say this in unit form, we would say 100, 5 tens, 2 ones. Let's look at letter C. 102. Again, I have my place value chart. And I'm going to label my number. Look at my hundreds first. I have 100. When I get to my tens, it has a 0. So we don't have any tens. We're not going to put any tens in the tens place. And we have 2 ones. So in unit form, I would say 100, 2 ones, because we don't have any tens. So 100, 2 ones. Let's do the last 2. Draw my place value chart and label my number 290. I have 2 hundreds, 9 tens, and 0 ones. So I'm not going to have anything in my ones place. So to say this in unit form, we would say 2 hundreds, 9 tens. And let's do our final number, 300. Draw my chart and label. I have 3 hundreds, 0 tens, so I'm not going to put anything in our tens place, and 0 ones. So again, this will be left blank. So to say this number in unit form, we would say 3 hundreds.